In Derby, something remarkable is happening. Here at All British Precision, the intricate hearts of Dennis mowers are being meticulously created on cutting-edge star sliding head machines. So come with us as we uncover this story and more of British manufacturing excellence.
At All British Precision in the centre of the UK. It's very apt for the name, Richard. You were here from the very beginning. Tell me the story.
So we incorporated in 2012. We started right here with this machine.
With this machine?
With that part.
That's incredible. Look how you've grown as well as a business.
Yeah, we've grown from about £400,000 a year supplying Dennis mowers up to 4 million now, where we're supplying multiple sectors, including aerospace, defence, and all those good things.
And what would you say is the integral reason for that growth?
Multitasking.
Oh.
The machines can now make that part in one go, whereas that would have been probably 4 or 5 different setups of machines in the past, and that would have probably taken us half an hour to make, and we now make one in about 3 minutes.
So what are your goals for the future then here at All British? What is it that you want to ultimately do, and what industries are you servicing?
Well, continued growth. I have a view that if we don't grow, we're standing still, we're going backwards.
Absolutely.
We've had 20% growth year on year since we've opened. We are now pushing into the aerospace and defence markets and looking for long-term agreements to really maximise the equipment that we've got. Get the lights out going, get the automation going. We're all about automation, mega hot on the quality. And we just want to do our part for UK. You know, a centre of excellence of British engineering is really where we want to be.
You clearly like your star machines. What does the future hold?
The future holds of probably much the same. We've got enough capacity now to double our output. So we're looking for new customers to grow with and develop, like we've grown with Star, and they develop with us, and we'll invest in further machinery as and when the opportunity arises.
Now, Richard just told me how much he loved the machines, but I think you do too, because you were pretty integral to the purchasing of the machines.
Yeah, so we this is an example. This is made on the ST38. We needed the ST38 because this part was originally machined and then ground after to get it concentric and the tight tolerance on the diameters, whereas the ST38 did it in one go.
That's quite a long component.
Yeah, each machine can swap between long parts and short parts, so it can make anything from about 0.5 mil is the smallest part we've made, up to 2 meters, essentially a bit more.
And that's integral for the mower, isn't it?
Yeah, so it can make all the shafts on the mowers, the tie bars, the shafts for the rollers, everything of that can be made on the stars.
Okay, and this is the SR20.
This is the SR20. This can make the adjusters for the bars on the mowers. I'll show you that in a minute when we walk over there.
And what's the volumes that you're making in terms of high mix, low volume? Which way round is it?
Yeah, so it's low volume. The highest quantity we do is about 10,000, 5,000.
Oh.
But it's very high mix. So we do about 4,500 different components a year. And this is an example of one of the new machines, the SR32. So we make 2,000 of these, and we set the machine up during the day, leave it running when we go home at night, come back in the morning, and we've made 2,000 of those.
Nice lights out running for you.
Yeah, that's it. That's
Technically,
exactly what we're looking for.
Technically, do you push the machines to their limits in terms of cycle times? What are you looking at? Because, you know, you've made some really good improvements on your cycle times, haven't you?
Yeah, so stuff like Step Cycle Pro helps us with that. The super positioning, there's a lot of Star macros that Star have created themselves in terms of thread matching or master programs where it can make 2 parts out of 1 program. Just the constant evolution from Star and ourselves as we get better, Star are getting better.
So they support you?
Yes, definitely.
They do.
Built a great relationship with Star. I started learning how to turn on the ST38, a bit of a jump in the deep ends, but then Star have been really helpful all the way through my journey.
Fantastic. Should we go see those mowers and see some of those parts in their final position?
So here we are at the final product. This is one of the Dennis mowers. I said over there, quality is in everything that we do, from the machine tools that we buy to the components that we make to the final product.
It's so interesting. Now, how many components in this mower do you produce then?
Probably 80% of the parts are made over in All British Precision.
Wow.
And then the rest of it, apart from the motor or the belt, is from within 30-mile radius of this area.
So very localized production. And you want to grow, don't you? You talked about your accreditations that you're getting now. What are the plans there?
Yeah, so we're looking at expanding into the aerospace and the defence market. They're our biggest goals at the moment, moving forwards.
Right. Thank you for taking us on a tour.
No, you're all right. Thank you for coming.